Hello everyone, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is in your area. If you like my videos, hit the like button. If you want to see more content, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified every time I release a new video or a premiere video, hit the bell button. Alright, thanks a lot. I hope you enjoy my video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to another food review. This is a snack review this time. I used to love Golden Flake onion rings, little snack chips. Too bad they had discontinued them. The only places there's only 2 of them in my book that come to the actual taste of the Golden Flake. This one here is Rudolph's Rudolph's Onyums, excuse me, and you can get these at Dollar Tree. So we got 3 servings per container, serving size 1 ounce, 28 grams, about 27 pieces, 120 calories. Total fat, 6%, saturated fat, 1.5 gram, cholesterol, 0, sodium, 370 milligram, a little high, but it's good enough. Total carbohydrates, 18, a little bit high, 1 gram dietary fiber, 2 grams of sugars, includes 2 grams of added sugars. So, those are the ingredients. There's the Wise onion rings that you can get at a Food Lion if you have one in the area, or you can look on Amazon and whatever. And they also taste not like the Golden Flakes used to taste, but very, very, very close. So that's another one. But these. You can taste the onion flavor. It's very crispy. It's a really good snack. One of these days I'm gonna on the next video or on some other review, I'm gonna do a comparison video of the Funyuns, which I don't really care for, and either these or the Wise onion rings. Do a little comparison taste test, and there's also another one that you can get them at if you have one in your area, a Buc-ee's gas station. It's a mega gas station, and they have their own brand of the onion rings, and these 3 onion rings are the only ones that come close to the taste of Golden Flake. And it's a shame that Golden Flake discontinued. Those were my favorite snack chips to get. Yep. Well, I know it's not much of a video, but it's something that I've been wanting to do here with these onion rings. So with Rudolph's brand, which you can get from Dollar Tree, I'm going to give that a 5 out of 5. Thanks a lot for watching.